What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is going to be on the Z once again. We're going to actually be doing a oil pressure switch swap on it, along with oil change and tranny fluid change. This is a regular problem for Z's, I believe, and I believe G35s also. I'm not sure, but we have the Z here. I'm going to show you exactly how to know it's going bad or it's bad. So stay tuned. On the Z, you have, you can't really tell, but this is the oil pressure gauge, whatever you call it. And you know it's bad when turn the car on. Oh, look, I did it right now. Actually, it didn't do it right. So it automatically goes over 120. That's how you could tell it's bad. Car's hot, so it shouldn't be showing that. And then for some reason, my gas shows empty when it's full. So that's how you could tell more or less oil pressure sensor is bad. We're gonna change that out. We'll show you how to do it. Right. So one way to check out if the oil pressure is bad, I literally just turned the car on. This is the oil pressure gauge, whatever it's called. As soon as I turned it on, it goes over 120. Two things can happen: the oil pressure is really high, or the sensor is really bad. So the first thing to check is the sensor. The sensor is very cheap to change, and we're gonna do that, and I'll show you how to do it. That's bad too. I have full gas and it shows that it's on empty, but that's another video. So I'll show you guys how to install the oil pressure sensor, and we'll go from there. So this is the pressure switch. It plugs in there, screws on here. So this is the old one. Right there. All right, so we started, before starting the car, as you can see, the gauge is good. I think you see it better now, yeah. Usually when you turn your car on, it shows you how much the oil pressure is. So let's start it. And fixed. And so when you rev it, it should go up. Perfect. So we fixed that issue. So yeah, that's an oil pressure sensor. It's not a big deal, but it bothers me that you couldn't tell. We're gonna fix that next, which is that little thing. We're gonna be fixing all the lights little by little, everything. Yeah. But that's it for today's video. Oil pressure sensor switch. Very little minor part, but you can say it's important, and it just bugs me that, you know, it doesn't work. So I'll put the link down below on the one I got. You could get that one, or you could go to Nissan and order it. Z1 Motorsports also has it. I've heard good things about theirs. I got mine off Amazon, so I'll send you, the link. You guys buy it and either do it yourself or have your mechanic install it. Pretty easy. Once again, guys, thank you for all the support. We're gonna fix the Z up little by little, and yeah, and I'll enjoy it, and I'll bring you guys along for it. Thank you for all the support. On to the next one.